Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be looking at theoretical probability, and it says here it is not always practical to carry out an experiment or survey in order to determine the probability of an event occurring. However, once we can determine the number of favorable outcomes and the number of possible outcomes, we can easily calculate the probability using the stated formula. Example, a bag contains 60 marbles, 45 green and 15 red ones. What is the probability of drawing a green marble? Okay, so guys, this is actually really easy. Let's just look at it. Right, so what's the probability of drawing a green marble? So we can see here that the probability, let's say G as a green marble, it's equal to their 45 green, right? So it's the probability of the event occurring, which is the number of events occurring. Sorry about that. Not the probability of the events occurring, it's the number of green marbles that would occur over the number of the universal set or the total sample space. So in this case, it would actually be 45 over 60, which is equal to 0.75. And that's the answer for A. So let's look at the answer for B. Let's put this a little smaller here. What's the probability of drawing a red marble? So clearly the probability of a red marble is equal to 15 over 60, which is equal to 0.25. Cool. Really easy stuff here, guys. And it says here, so we finish these two, and it says here, if 15 green marbles are removed from the bag, what is the probability now of drawing a green marble? So we had 45 green marbles in the bag, right? And we're gonna subtract 15 from this, so we're gonna end up with 30 green marbles left. But since we subtracted 15 from the 45 green marbles, we only have 45 marbles left in the bag. So the probability of finding a green marble, in this case, let's call it G prime, it's actually equal to 30 over 45, which in this case is actually 2 over 3, and that's the answer, okay? All right, so let's look at this case, the probability of the chance of drawing a yellow marble. Well, we can see that there are no yellow marbles. Let's call it probability of Y. So this is actually 0 for the probability. That's the answer. And the last one is, what is the probability of either drawing a green or red marble? So since the bag only has green and red marbles, clearly the probability of drawing either a green or red one, clearly the probability of that is actually 1. Okay, guys? So let's put that here. The probability of green or red is equal to 1. That's the answer. Okay, guys? All right, so we can see that theoretical probability is kind of easy. All we have to do is remember the same formula, right? It's the number of possible outcomes. Well, it's the number of outcomes for the event over the number of possible outcomes, and we can find the probability for anything we want, actually. Okay, guys? All right, so we're actually finished with this section. We're actually finished with section 5 here. I would want to do one more video, but we'll actually probably put that video in the fast track. I want to have like a fast track towards the exam. So, all right, guys, and we're finished here. And let's move on to section 6. All right. That's it. And I'll see you in the next lecture. And remember to do your best, and God will do the rest.